React Native Deployment. Introduction. React Native deployment is the process of building, testing, packaging, and publishing React Native applications to Android and iOS platforms. Deployment involves KEK, building production apps, KEK, environment configuration, KEK, Android deployment, KEK, iOS deployment, KEK, app signing, App Store publishing, KEK, Play Store publishing, KEK, CI/CD automation, KEK, OTA updates, performance optimization. A common interview topic is: how does React Native deployment work in real-world applications? This guide explains KEK, React Native deployment workflow, KEK, Android APK AAB generation, KEK, iOS IPA generation, KEK, app signing, KEK, environment management, KEK, deployment pipelines, Expo deployment, KEK, Firebase integration, KEK, OTA updates, KEK, troubleshooting, best practices. This is one of the most important topics for mobile developers and full-stack developers. Simple definition. React Native deployment means preparing and releasing React Native applications for production use on Android and iOS devices. Why deployment is important. Good deployment practices help reduce release failures, improve app stability, automate releases, secure production apps, improve user experience. Without proper deployment, builds fail frequently. App stores reject apps. Production bugs increase. Releases become difficult. React Native architecture overview. Typical architecture. React Native app, JavaScript bundle, native Android iOS layer, mobile device, React Native deployment workflow. Typical deployment flow: code development, testing, production build, signing, store upload, release step 1, prepare production environment. Before deployment: quote, remove debug logs, configure production APIs, optimize images, secure secrets, verify app versioning. Environment examples: development, staging, production, step 2, configure environment variables. Use environment-based configuration. Example: API URL equals https://api.example.com. Common libraries. Check. React Native config? Check. Expo constants. Best practice: keep never hardcode secrets inside the app. Step 3. Understand Android deployment. Android deployment usually generates APK, AAB, Android App Bundle, Modern Play Store Recommendation, AAB, Android Build Flow, React Native App, Gradle Build, Signed AAB APK, Google Play Store. Step 4. Generate Android Key Store. Required for app signing. Example command: keytool-genkeypair-v keystore release key.keystore -alias myKeyAlias -keyalg RSA -keysize 2048 -validity 10,000. Important. Quote, keep keystore safe. Keep keystore safe. Without keystore, app updates become impossible. Step 5. Configure Android signing. Update. Android app build.gradle. Example: signing configs.release store file release key.keystore store password key alias myKeyAlias key password. Step 6. Generate Android production build. Generate AAB. CD Android. .gradlu bundle release. Generate APK. .s gradlu assemble release. Output. Android app build outputs. Step 7. Test production Android build. Always test release builds before publishing. Calling, API calls, authentication, notifications, crash handling, deep linking, performance. Best practice. Test on physical devices. Step 8. Understand iOS deployment. iOS deployment requires: check. Xcode, Apple developer account, certificates, provisioning profiles. Flow. React Native App, Xcode Archive, IPA file, App Store Connect. Step 9. Configure iOS signing. Inside Xcode. Signing and capabilities. Configure. CUC Team. Bundle Identifier. CUC Provisioning Profile. Common issue. No signing certificate found. Step 10. Build iOS production app using Xcode. Product Archive. Then, distribute app. Output. IPA file. Step 11. Upload to App Store Connect. Upload using Xcode Organizer, Transporter app. Then, configure. Screenshots. App description. Privacy details. Age rating. Step 12. Understand OTA updates. OTA equals over-the-air updates. Allows JavaScript updates without full store release. Popular solutions. Check Expo updates. Check code push. Flow. Updated JS bundle. Users download update. Benefits. Faster fixes. Instant UI updates. Step 13. Configure CI/CD pipelines. Modern apps use automated deployment. Typical pipeline. Git push, run tests, build app, generate release, deploy. Tools. GitHub Actions, Bitrise, Fastlane, Jenkins. Step 14. Use Fastlane. Fastlane automates deployment. Capabilities. Screenshots, builds, Play Store uploads, App Store uploads. Example. Fastlane beta. Benefits. Automated releases. Fewer manual errors. Step 15. Optimize app size. Large apps reduce downloads. Optimization tips. Check. Remove unused assets. Enable ProGuard. Compress images. Use Hermes engine. Enable Hermes. Enable Hermes. True. Benefits. Better startup performance. Reduced memory usage. Step 16. Troubleshoot build errors. Common Android issues. Gradle conflicts. SDK mismatch. Dependency versions. Common fixes. CD Android. Gradlu clean common iOS issues. CocoaPods problems. Xcode version mismatch. Signing errors. Architecture conflicts. Fix pods. CD, iOS, pod install. Step 17. Handle versioning properly. Android. Version code 5. Version name 1.0.5. iOS. CF bundle version. CF bundle short version string. Best practice. CAC increment versions consistently. Step 18. Configure Firebase. Common integrations. Correct. Analytics. Crash reporting. Push notifications. Popular services. Check Firebase Analytics. Crashlytics. FCM. Step 19. Monitor crashes. Production apps require monitoring. Tools. Check Firebase Crashlytics. Check Sentry. Bugsnag. Architecture. User app. Crash reporting service. Developer dashboard. Step 20. Secure React Native apps. Important security areas. Check API keys. Check authentication tokens. Check HTTPS APIs. Check encrypted storage. Best practice. CAC. Avoid storing secrets in plain text. Step 21. Use App Center or Expo. Deployment tools. Tool purpose. Expo simplified deployment. App Center CI/CD plus analytics. Fastlane automation. Firebase monitoring. Step 22. Learn Expo deployment. Expo simplifies deployment. Example. EAS build - platform Android. For iOS. EAS build platform iOS. Benefits. Simpler configuration. Cloud builds. Step 23. Understand deep linking. Deep linking opens app from URLs. Example: myapp.profile.123. Used for Kirk notifications, Kirk email links, Kirk authentication callbacks. Step 24. Handle push notifications. Popular solutions: Firebase cloud messaging, Expo notifications, OneSignal. Common issues: check token registration failure, permission denial, notification delivery delays. Step 25. Prepare store release checklist. Before release: test production APIs, verify app icons, check splash screens, verify permissions, remove debug logs, test offline mode, validate notifications. Common React Native deployment mistakes: 1. Losing Android key store. Without key store, X cannot publish updates. 2. Hard coding secrets. Security risk. 3. Not testing release builds. Debug builds behave differently. 4. Ignoring version management causes store upload issues. 5. Large bundle sizes, slow installs and startup times. Real-world example. React Native e-commerce app architecture. React Native app, Spring Boot APIs, PostgreSQL database, Firebase notifications. Deployment pipeline: GitHub push, GitHub actions, Fastlane build, Play Store, App Store features. Check push notifications, authentication, payments, analytics, OTA updates. Best practices:
secure signing keys, automate deployments, test release builds, monitor crashes, optimize bundle size,
use CI/CD pipelines, separate environments, enable HTTPS only, use OTA carefully. Common interview questions: 1. Difference between APK and AAB. Format purpose: APK installable Android package, AAB optimized Play Store bundle. 2. Why is app signing important? Signing verifies app authenticity and allows secure updates. 3. What is OTA update? OTA updates allow JavaScript bundle updates without full store release. 4. Why use Fastlane? Fastlane automates mobile app deployment workflows. 5. Why test release builds separately? Release builds behave differently from debug builds due to optimization and signing. React Native deployment architecture. React Native frontend, .API gateway, .Spring Boot backend, .PostgreSQL database, .Firebase services. Final summary: React Native deployment involves preparing, building, signing, testing, and publishing mobile applications for production. Important deployment concepts include: copy Android APK AAB builds, copy iOS IPA builds, copy signing certificates, copy environment management, copy CI/CD automation, copy OTA updates, copy Firebase integration, crash monitoring, copy release optimization. Modern React Native deployments often use curl, Fastlane, GitHub Actions, Expo, Firebase, App Center. Key idea: successful React Native deployment requires automation, proper signing, production testing, monitoring, and secure release management.